So guys, I am right here.
Hi.
She's nervous. Okay guys, a parcel from Clicks just arrived. I delivered everything. I got my nails done at Phoenix Nails. You can check her out on Instagram. She's the bomb-ass nail artist right here, based in Kiani and Midrain. If you guys want to go check her out, I love her nails. I will put a link down below for her Instagram so you guys can check her out. Okay guys, I just got this Clicks cotton pads, some earbuds. I also got this too, Wet and Wild products. I saw Manny MUA using this on one of his tutorials, and I just thought maybe let me get them out, let me try them out. So once you try them out, y'all know I just love things so much. I also got 3 of this so heavenly body sprays. I love this body sprays so much. I used to use them so much from 2016 until 2019, maybe 2020. I have a collection, also heavenly lotions, which I've had since 2020. I had about 25 lotions. That says a lot about me. I was a loyal fan. But then I discovered Epimax, and I'm not looking back. I also got this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Creams and micellar water. I am a really huge fan of Neutrogena, and I do highly recommend this, guys.
2 weeks later.
Say hi, girlsins. Oh, guys, we just came from watching a movie at the cinema, and right now we are about to go have some dinner. See? Nzambo is such a bitch. Fuck you too, bitch. So you can eat. Say hi, guys.
Thank you guys.
So I'm with Ntembo and Mkateko. We're doing the rainbow picnic thing. Say hi to them. We just finished taking pictures also. Oh my word.
And their body.
She's already chowing down. She's hungry. Look at this one. This one is such a savage. My friend is such a savage, guys. I am hungry. Y'all should see my stomach. Hold my phone. This is how I'm wearing. Y'all should have seen the outfit I was gonna wear. Like, guys, I know my stomach. I will go to the gym, guys, but like, I'm giving very Kim Kardashian vibes, only with a huge stomach, maybe pregnant. She's saying hi. Where is she? She did things on her face. I don't know what's on her face, guys. Y'all should see it. It's giving. Who's that girl when she says, you always have this strong eye look, and she's like, oh yeah, I did it myself. Julia Fox, I think. Yeah, it's Julia Fox. I just love her so much. Oh my word, look at this one. Chowing down on the wine. Let's have some fun, guys. We're still young. We're in our 20s. So I'm wearing these shoes, which I got from Planet 54 online. Please don't mind my toenails or my toes. I redid my nails again from Nafel Nails in Section A. She's such a babe. I wish I had tattoos sometimes, you know, so I can like be like Demi Lovato or Miley Cyrus, Selena Gomez, some celebrity-esque inspiration. Look at Nkateko's shoes. These are her shoes, guys. Look at them. These guys are chowing down. Oh my word, guys. I'm just in love with my nails, by the way. Oh my word, the fans I have. Did you see how they got up and just came here? Because I'm dancing and I have a camera up. These two will do anything for a camera. Are you guys crazy or what? My friends will do anything for a camera. Girl, that's all. How are you feeling?
Beachy.
It's a family Sunday and we are intruding. We are busy drinking alcohol and people are busy buying the meat, taking family pictures. Guys, like what's wrong with us? What did you say we are?
What are we then? And as nam takabang.
Dance for me, my friend! Dance! He was dancing and once I pulled out the camera, he was like, oh my word, I am a lady, I cannot be dancing. Tambo is such a fake, a biatch.
Queen B.
I love this part.
Dance, 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 dance! Yes!
Queen B.